Alright guys, I'm sorry. I said I was going to do everything at once for the Rubicon build, but I'm at the tire place getting them balanced, and we put them on to see how they look, and the 35s with the 18-inch wheels fit, no rubbing issues. They fit on the factory Rubicon. So we're gonna leave them on. And it'll be a lot easier when we install the 4-inch lift. This is what they look like. I'll show you again when they're all on. It'll make it a little bit easier for me. If you'd like to see how the rest of the build goes, just hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and stay up to date.